Hello there, my name's Peter Kingston. I'm just going to show you how I'm creating a capture page and a thank you page on Lead Sleep, which you can use to build your We Share Abundance team. Okay, so first of all, this is Lead Sleep. As you can see, I'm on my dashboard here. If you sign up for Lead Sleep, you can sign up as a free member. Just sign up and it'll bring you to your dashboard that will look like this. Go on you, check on your profile, fill in your information. You can upload a photo of yourself as well. Okay, so once you're sorted here, remember to click on your email and confirm your Lead Sleep account. Come down to Page Manager. Okay, and what I want you to do is create 2 pages. Okay, so you can name this is for you, so you know what page you've created and how to get to it. Okay, so let me just call this WISA 1. Add. Okay, so this is a page we've just added. And here, add a new page to start. So click on that where we've just created WISA 1, add a page to start. And it's asking for a share code. So this is your first one, lead capture page. So copy this share code. Okay. Paste. Import. Okay. So this is the page that you've just imported. Okay, we don't need that at the minute, so let me just get rid of that. Okay, so this is WISA 1. Add another campaign. For easiness sakes, we'll just call this WISA. It could be 3, but let's do 2. Okay, add now. Okay, so you will only see WISA 1 and WISA 2. Okay. Add a new page. Okay, so we want another share code. So we want the thank you page, which is this one. Copy this, copy, paste it here, import now. Okay, so we have 2 pages now, and you'll see 2 pages, WISA 1, WISA 2. Okay, so if we leave them for a second and go to List Manager. Okay, add a new list. WISA 1. Add now. Okay, so go back to Page Manager. Okay, so WISA 1, we want to launch editor. Okay, see where this says list? On your list you'll have nil, so you click on this, get list, and this one here will be your list, WISA one, which you've just created. I'm not going to click on this because I've already got my own list, but this is what you need. Okay. Close this off. So this is, you can click on the things, this icon here. So check out the video below to see how you can generate a full-time income online. So this is what you see here. So come to the right hand side, and whatever you see on this, you can copy that there, add different colors, text font, so you can click on this and change the font size or the shape of it. Basically what you see here is, so I'll click on here just to show you. So highlight that. I want Oswald there, but click on the others, just, you know what I'm saying, so just try different ones. So I'll go back to the Oswald here, and whenever you do something, as long as you're happy with what you've put, just do it and click save, and that will save your work. So here it's just more or less straightforward. There's nothing else to do here. We've created this. Okay, so if we go back to the members area, okay, now the WISA 2. So the first one was your landing page. This is the thank you page. Okay, so we'll launch the editor here. Okay, so see here you've got list and you've got nil. That's what we wanted. Well, that's what you will see with your first page. So you can click that, like I said, and put your list in. Okay, so this same again. Once you click on writing and stuff, it just shows up on the side here. Okay, so what we need and what you need is, okay, so we click on We Share Abundance, click on that. Okay, so this is your little icon here. So what you need to do, see this here, this is my We Share Abundance affiliate link. So you need to let me see. So you need to come into We Share Abundance, and you need to click on your link. This is mine, obviously, but this is your referral link. So whatever yours is, copy that. Where was I? That's it. So obviously this is my link, so put your link in here, and like you can change the writing stuff to suit yourself, really. So, but the most important thing is put your link in and then press save. Okay, and the same with Lead Sleep, because whoever wants to use this thank you page and landing page need to obviously join Lead Sleep, which you can as a free member, and most people will join as free members. So Lead Sleep. So this is my Lead Sleep affiliate link. If you go to your dashboard, if you come down to affiliate links and tools, okay, there is different links you can check out and click on. These are all affiliated to me, obviously, so this will be yours. This is one I copied, the home page, so I'll just copy this for your link. So when somebody joins you in We Share Abundance, and then you can share this with them to show them how they can build their We Share Abundance team. Okay, so just copy that, and so put your link in here and then save. Okay, so that's that done. Okay, so back to the members area. Now you want to come on, see, list manager. Okay, so this is your landing page. Okay, so activate this list. So as a list, that's your name. You can use brand name or logo, just I don't know, We Share Abundance, and then what you have to do is put your name, your email, your proper email, and what this will do, and they ask as well for your mailing address, but what this will do is when you put your email here, to activate this, you need to send code to the above email. When you get your code, take it from your email, and you can then copy and paste it here, add an email signature if you wish, save and activate, and that will activate your page. Okay, so that's the list manager, and then what you need to do is come on here, and you need to set up your welcome email. So let me back up. Because I'm a pro member, I can put multiple emails in. I haven't added any yet, but this is what I can do. Let me have a look to see what I've done on mine. Back to page manager. Okay. Abundance. Let me see. So. Okay. Right, this is my email, so it's just a quick one. Set it up. I'll put my name in the top here. Hello. This first name here, you can use. These are the placeholders. So this is for somebody's email, and this is for the first name. So if you just copy and paste this, and then wiggly lines there, and copy. And when you put hello, then you paste it. With this, you need to Control V. So to copy on some of these, let me see. Control C to copy. Control V will paste it like this. Okay. So just simple this is for the first email. I think once the SOAP launches, you will have access to written emails. I think Graham was saying. Okay, so hello first name, thank you for subscribing to my list. Click on the link below to get yourself fully set up, and this will just more or less take them to the landing page. Okay, so this will take them to this one again. Okay, so it's quite a long tutorial. Hopefully I've gone through and explained everything you need to know. But if you need any help with anything, setting up anything, get hold of me. Okay, thanks very much for watching. My name is Peter Kingston. Have a good day.